Alright guys, here's an update on the Morimoto sequential turn signals for the Toyota Tundras, 2007 to 2021. So, you can tell I got the headlights, the daylight running lights on right now. And these are not on. Which is weird because the Trail Ridge, they had a running light when you had the daytime running lights running. So if we turn them on, they do come on, but you technically gotta have headlights basically on. Well, the fog lights, right? So that's kind of a con for me. I mean, I guess you can take it like that, but there's the headlights. I just turned the fog lights off, so maybe you can get by with doing that, but in auto, these do not work. Plus the Trail Ridge, just, I don't know, they just look better to me. I might end up returning these. Not to mention they're super duper extra bright, so it's kind of, I don't want them to be that bright. If they were shining down, maybe, like they had a little light here, that would be great. But anyways, guys, that's an update on the Morimoto Sequential. So my turn signals. If you have any questions, post them down